Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. After the NEET result has been declared, most of the students are discussing about the reservation system. Now coming to the reservation system, you may have thought that why she is speaking like that even though she is a general student. Yeah, you may have thought like that by seeing the thumbnail, but yeah, I support reservation system. You know why? There are lots and lots of reasons why I support reservation system. The truth is, before lockdown, I also used to criticize the reservation system. I was against the reservation system. I used to oppose it. But after lockdown, after this corona crisis and during this lockdown, I have come to know about the situation of rural India. About the situation of 74% Hindus who are SC, ST and OBC, about the poverty of those Hindus. You know what? I myself is a general category student and I am a Muslim girl. My name is Alima Akhtar and I am pursuing my MBBS from Assam Medical College. Now currently I am in third year. Because of lockdown I am at home now. So we cannot blame the reservation system actually. The actual blame should be the caste system that had been prevailing since earlier days. So many people also dislike Ambedkar, but that should not be the case. If even at this 21st century the casteism is still prevalent in rural India, in most of the rural India, then just imagine the condition of the casteism at the time of Ambedkar. So B.R. Ambedkar have done a great job and we should never be against it, because by seeing some one or two people who are rich and having some reservation in their choosing of institutions and all, we cannot calculate the huge amount of people. Truth behind is that there is still casteism present. There is still some restrictions between the inter-caste marriage of the Hindu people, and also recently the government have taken some steps like economically weaker sections. That's a great step. So whatever, the caste system is still prevailing, but the government can improve the reservation system far more by implementing some of the points, like some of the sections, like recently they have introduced the economically weaker sections, and likewise they can choose the people from the SC, ST and OBC who are in poverty. Among the SC, ST and OBC, there should be some kind of income certificate and there should be some kind of financial details of their family, so that the individuals of the SC, ST and OBC who are rich are not getting the privilege, and who are really deserving and who are really poor. So that is a kind of actually upliftment of India only, because of poverty also many students cannot come out of their home and they cannot get any better institutions. So if there is reservation system, those SC, ST, OBC students can get those institutions through that and for them. So if we analyze, the reservation system is really helpful, but there should be some kind of improvement, like the financially independent people who are SC, ST and OBC should not be given reservation. So that's what I wanted to say you all. And if you like the video, then do share and subscribe. And if you find any of the point baseless, and if you want to comment something, then do comments. Comments are welcomed. Whatever. By the way, we should keep studying. We should keep the competition going on. And if you like the video, then please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.